welcome to your next session for the Stretch and Flow course. Today's focus is going to be mobility through the wrists, elbows and arms. Really focusing on the wrists, the fingers, into the forearms, elbows and the full rotation of the shoulders. It's going to be a really nice session, guys. It's around 10 to 12 minutes long, so not too long and easy enough for you to fit in any of your schedules throughout the day. Enjoy, guys, and have fun with this one. Let's come to a seated position, and we're just going to start today by closing our eyes and taking 3 deep breaths, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Nice and controlled, just to really calm our breathing and get us into the room. Last one. Good. Open your eyes for me. And then we're going to start off today by raising our arms up so our arms are horizontal with our shoulders and in line with our shoulders, and spread our fingers really wide as you can, just getting a nice stretch here through the hands and the fingers. And when you're ready, we're just going to close them into a fist and then reopen them. And I want us to do this around 8 times. Now flip the hands over so your palms are facing upwards. And we're going to do the same thing, but this time curling from the little finger all the way through to the thumb. And then thumb leads first to unwind back to how we started. Perfect. And again, let's do this around 8 times. Now let's take our palms so they're facing outwards, so like we're doing a stop sign. Arms nice and straight, and we're just going to bend and flex through the wrist. So we're going to come down and then up in a continuous motion, again for around 8 times. Take a break here, rest your hands on your knees. And when you're ready, let's raise the arms back up. And we're going to do a figure of 8 with the wrists. Let's do around 8 one way, and then let's change direction and do 8 the other way. Take a break, place your hands on your knees. And now we're going to come back up into our stop sign. And this time we're going to rotate through the shoulder joint round as far as you can towards the bottom. And then bring your palms straight back up and rotate inwards. So we're internally and externally rotating through the shoulder joint here. Perfect. And remember, Everybody's end range of motion is different. So it doesn't matter if yours doesn't look anywhere near to what I'm doing today. And shake it all out. Perfect, guys. Really, really good. Let's take your arms out wide this time, and we're going to rotate through the elbow joint. So just bringing your arms through straight, circular motion, and then back to straight. And remember to do this both directions. Now let's take our hands to our shoulders, and we're going to do a circular motion with the arms, but keeping the hands on top of the shoulders. And then when we come through center, we're trying to get our elbows to touch. So touch through center, raise up and around. Let's do around 8 one way and 8 the next. This time, bring your arm up, palms facing forward, but fingers facing downwards. We're just going to stretch one finger at a time. So use your other hand to really just flex through the fingers, bringing them backwards and down. And when you're ready, switch hands. And now place one arm up and use the opposite hand to just flex again through the wrist. So helping get that extra stretch through the wrist. And then change hands when you're ready. Let's take the arms nice and wide, deep breath in, up to the top, reach high, and then exhale, bring the arms down wide by your side. When you're ready, let's come over onto all fours. Fingers facing forwards onto our all fours, and we're just going to rock over the wrists. So just stretching through the underside of the wrist here. And feel free to go into like a circular motion, just to get that more mobility into the wrists. And now let's turn the hands round so the fingers are facing towards our knees. And again, this time the motion is coming backwards over the wrists. And we're trying to stretch into the front hand. Perfect. And there you have your hand and arm mobility session complete.